If you've lost access to your Wells Fargo account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Wells Fargo website. Go to the official Wells Fargo website using a secure internet connection. Look for the sign-on button to begin the login process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Select an alternative recovery method. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity using the selected recovery method. Ensure you provide accurate information to avoid delays. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should have access to your Wells Fargo account. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer support for further assistance.